Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how you can get softer, silkier, smoother and stronger hair but within your budget. These days there are so many products available in the market. You really get confused as to what is going to suit you and how you can use those products and make your hair more softer, healthier, shinier and stronger. We all want long hair, and these days we're loaded up with a lot of recommendations and a lot of suggestions that we forget on our old age remedies, right? So I'm going to share with you all very few easy simple tips that is going to help you achieve this softer, healthier, stronger hair. Now the number one thing that you really need to do is have a hair care regime. This should be something completely dedicated for your hair. In your hair care regime, ensure to include a hair oil. Very important. I don't know why people miss out on it in today's date. Second, you need a good shampoo. If you want, you can also use a conditioner, but I would suggest if you use a good oil, you don't need a conditioner anyway. After that, you need a hair mask just to give your hair a little spa treatment once in a while. You need some DIY home remedies, a good hair serum, and lastly, you also need a good heat protectant. Whether you use heat styling tools or not, you really need a good heat protectant for your hair. Next point is the kind of diet or nutrition that you're consuming. This is equally important. Now, if you guys know, our hair is basically a strand of protein, keratin, and you really need to consume a good balanced diet that is going to ensure that your entire, vitamins and proteins and minerals are consumed properly, because trust me, biotin, omega, and keratin are very important when it comes to your hair health. This brings me on to another topic, that is supplements. These days you get a lot of different hair supplements, hair gummies that you can take to increase your hair growth, to make your hair more shinier. So these are the things that will add on in your already existing hair care routine. Now when it comes to your hair care regime, ensure that you're changing your shampoo every 1 to 2 months, because you don't want your hair to be used to that shampoo, your scalp to be used to that. And you can also find out and pick out your shampoo on the basis of your hair porosity. This is something that is going on lately, so you can do that as well. Next is to oil your hair regularly. I do not know why a lot of people miss out on this. Oiling your hair is very important. It'll give you the proper nourishment and also will help you recover and absorb those other essential external vitamins and nourishment that you need externally from those oils. Now coming to supplements, like I mentioned, they are a bit expensive. These days you get a lot of supplements, but one way that you can consume the supplements is dry fruits. I mean, every now and then everybody says have a lot of dry fruits. Dry fruits have a lot of benefits for your body, for your health. And one such nut that is going to change your hair care game is almonds. Almond is a complete superfood that you can find. It not only helps you with your brain but also with your hair. It is loaded up with nutrients that will build your hair, help you with the biotin, it'll help you with the protein buildup, help you with the nourishment and the smoothness of your hair. Almond contains nutrients like vitamin E, dietary fiber, B vitamins and essential minerals that they'll help you with a complete hair care superfood. So by consuming almonds regularly, it'll not only help you with your memory but also nourish your hair, help repair the damaged hair and also build good hair. If you're planning to make a little change in your diet when it comes to your hair growth, then definitely include almond, one of the superfoods that you need. Now once you've got your diet formed, you really need to ensure along with this diet, the nutrients that you're getting from consuming all this, you also get those nutrients externally. So definitely use products that will give you similar kind of nourishment that you will get from consuming a balanced healthy diet. So one way to do that is oiling your hair, because oils are always made naturally, and that is how you can get that external nourishment by oiling your hair. One of the oils that I would recommend, and something that I've been using since my childhood because I've seen my mom also using it, it is the Bajaj Almond Drops hair oil.
Here's an oil that I've been using for long, Bajaj Almond Drops hair oil.
Now one thing about this oil is something that I can recall. First of all, it smells so good. It literally will take me down to memory lane. And this oil is something not just that my mom has taught me to use it on my hair, but also on body. Sometimes there, body pains, then she would use this oil to massage it, and I've seen it, and it's just it's literally like a superfood oil. It's got the complete nourishment. It's got vitamin E nourishment. It will make your hair softer, make it more manageable, and of course, most importantly, strengthen it. So like using this in different ways is really going to help you.
This is the non-sticky Bajaj Almond Drops hair oil. This has got the nourishment of vitamin E.
This one that I'm using is the Super Saver pack. It's a very lightweight non-sticky oil. All you have to do is just massage it properly on your scalp, and the scent of this is so good.
The entire process is so calming, and your hair gets nourished with vitamin E.
That gives your hair super nourishment, makes it very softer and shinier. So I use it at least once or twice a week and then wash it off with my shampoo. Actually, after using this oil, you don't even need the conditioner. So it helps build up your hair as well, because almond has got good amount of protein as well. This is like a superfood in a bottle and brings down so many memories, something that all our parents have also used, and no reason we should continue using it. After washing my hair, this is how bouncy and soft my hair looks. Like, just see, it's beautiful. I highly recommend this oil. I've been using the Bajaj Almond Drops hair oil for 2 washes continuously, and I can see the difference instantly. I mean, it's one of the products that my parents have been using since a very long time, so I can completely trust it. Plus, at the same time, it makes my hair so much more nourished and tameable and manageable, which is very important in the current rainy season, because your hair is going to get wet and frizzy every now and then. So you really want a calming, soothing oil. Plus, it's non-sticky, and this big bottle is going to last me for a very long time. Now, there are a lot of different ways you can actually use the Bajaj Almond Drops hair oil. One way is to make a very nice spa-like hot oil hair treatment. All you have to do is just take some Bajaj Almond Drops hair oil in your microwavable cup, add it a little bit, heat it up, just like not even heat it up like till a warm temperature, and then use it on your scalp. Another way is to mix this almond drops with some curd and apply it as a hair mask. You can also add some shikakai powder. Like, this will literally give you a superfood hair mask, and there are different DIY ways you can do it to give your hair the proper nourishment through Bajaj Almond Drops hair oil. Definitely ensure that you are including the Bajaj Almond Drops hair oil in your hair care regime. Now, you can buy this on any nearby store, outlet, D-Mart, but you can also get it online. So I'll leave the links in the description box below. Do check it out. Now, hair oiling is such a, I would say, very common thing, but makes a lot of difference. And if you use a superfood hair oil like the Bajaj Almond Drops, then it's going to make your life even more easier, because you're going to get the complete nourishment in one bottle. So yeah, this was my video on how you can get softer, healthier, shinier looking hair by not spending a lot of money and making some small changes in your everyday regime. So this was the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.